This is a used 2011 Toyota Camry, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter, a reliable engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, steering wheel controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.